Buongiorno, we are looking at how to say yummy or extremely delicious or extremely good in Italian. If you're looking at how to pronounce more Italian words and extremely good food names from Italy as well, we're going to be looking at this, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you go about pronouncing this word? Buonissimo. Buonissimo. This is the masculine form of the word. If you're talking about something feminine like a pizza or mozzarella, you will be saying it is buonissima, buonissima, or buonissimo, meaning extremely good. Buon being Italian for good, buonissimo means extremely good or yummy in short. In Italian, did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments or by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Italian words, delicious food names included, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.